shown as a point, and we're going to name it B for beautiful job.
Should it be labeled?
Label point C at the opposite of -2. You're welcome. Okay, because you'll walk out of here having accomplished something. All right, so what's the opposite of -2?
+2.
Yes, put a point.
Or just normal 2.
Yes. And we're going to call it what?
C.
C. Check. Okay. Label point D at the opposite of the opposite of -2. So everybody put your pencil at -2. And what's the opposite of -2? 2. And what's the opposite of that?
-2.
-2. All right, so I'm going to draw an arrow. And this is also point D. Don't let it trip you up. You got this. Okay? I really hope the picture quality is much better this week. All right. Now, if we are doing absolute value, put an absolute rectangle around the word, please. Absolute value. It will always be positivo. Does that mean positive?
Yep.
Excellent, Diddy. It will always be positive. So how far is 5 from 0?
5.
5.
Yes, sir.
How far is -82 from 0?
82.
82. Okay, great. The absolute value is a number's what? Starts with a D. And it rhymes with distance. Distance. Great job. The absolute value is a number's distance from
0.
0. Yeah. I'm going to make that O into a smiley. 0. Oh, you can't see that. Diddy, that's horrible. You all were too polite to tell me. Next time, throw a tomato, please. Okay, whatever number they give us, we're going to put it in the center. Excuse me. Let's concentrate on the positive. You are welcome. Here we go. -4, -3, -2, -1. What? 0. 1. Okay. Now we're going to go in the direction of it decreasing. What do you need?
Oh, I'm asking them if I could use that if they're using it.
Well, what do you need it for?
I'm looking at like what missing assignments I have.
Okay, check it out. Here we go. -5, -6, -7, -8. All right, here's the tricky part. Okay, don't let this trip you up. Should this be open or closed?
Open.
Open at -4, and you should be skeptical as to why. If it is not a possible answer, it will be open. Look, if I pass out cards in here and I say, if you have a card that is greater than -4, you will win $1. Okay? Everybody who has a card that is greater than -4 would be super excited, and everybody who has one that is less than -4 would say, Frau Diddy, I liked you until... So let's put a check over the numbers where it would work. If I tell you it must be greater than -4 to get $1, would -4 work? No. Put an X. No. This one would not win. Is -3 greater than -4?
Oh yeah, each time
Yes.
the number gets smaller.
Look, it's going in the bigger direction. Greater. All right, is -2 greater? Yes. -1? Yes. 0? +1? Okay. Would you get $1 if you had -5?
Nope.
No. Would you get one if you had -6? No. So all of these would be X's, meaning no, and where the checks are, that's where we're going to shade because all of those are possible answers. Okay? All of those are great. Let's try this one out. What number do you think we should put at the center of this?
1.
-1. So here we go. And you are right. Pay the lady $1. It is closed. So here we go. -1, 0. 1, 2. Go, Diddy. 3, 4. That's right. It's Monday. Okay, now let's go in the direction of it decreasing. What?
-2, -3, -4, -5, -6.
Thank you so much for coming to school today. Good job. All right. So, if I pass out those integer cards again, and I say anybody who has a card that is less than or equal to -1 will get $1 from Frau Diddy. Would you get paid if you had a card that was -1?
Yes.
Yes, put a check above it. Would you get a card if you had 0?
No.
No, that's not less than -1. Come on. How about +1?
No.
No, that's also not less than. How about -2?
Yes.
Yes, that is less than -1. How about -3?
5th grade.
Yes. -4? Yes. -5 is also a yes. So Kimberly was right. This should be a closed point or a dark dot at -1 because it has the or equal to thingy. And we should shade left or right. What do you think?
Right. Left.
Left. Shade. I hate coloring. But shading this way is kind of fun.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't have to be neat. Cool. All right. When reading an inequality symbol, how do you know if you should shade in the circle on the graph? Everybody make this emoji picture.
Uh-oh.
Make one circle. Here are the eyes. Here's the mouth. We're going to write open. Okay? And then let's make the other emoji picture. What do you think will be different about the one?
Closed.
Yes. You are on top of it. Whatever you ate for breakfast, do it tomorrow. All right.
I ate pizza.
Great. Pizza it is. Closed. Well, if you stop listening to music while we're doing this, it won't be so fast. One might call that a roast.
Diddy Burns 2002. I mean, 20.
It's okay. All right. What?
There's like no roasting in that.